Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to plan in my HOBONICHI weeks for the week of January 27th through to February 2nd. And I'm sure many of you are like, thank goodness it is February. January feels like the longest month ever. But anyway, I will be decorating with, these are actually fall stickers from the Giving Girl, but I thought the colors in it I could still definitely use for winter. So I'm thinking maybe knit something, even though I haven't knit anything in years. When was the last time I knit something? It was 5 years ago, just before COVID. Was the last time I knit something. But I still think the collection is really cute. I like the blues and the oranges here. So this is what I will be using to decorate this week. I'm just trying to think. Like probably that one might be the best one, and then I'll save these for the other spreads. All right, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is draw out my grid. So what I like about the HOBONICHI weeks is that they have dots here to help you separate your spread out into grids. I don't divide it exactly into thirds. I have approximately a third for my work schedule, slightly bigger than a third, maybe half for my to-do list, and then this size for the weather. And then what I do, whoops, shaking, sorry, is I'm going to use this stamp from AliExpress to do with the weather. Now the weather this week is mostly cloudy. Lovely. I'm just going to go ahead and stamp these in here. I think I'm getting better every week at stamping, but we'll see. And then the temperatures this week are not too bad until you get to Saturday, where the low is -20, where I can actually use the snow sticker or snow stamp, and then Sunday is like sun and fog, but there's no fog sticker, so I'm going to do sun and cloud. And then I'm going to write in here what the weather's going to be, although I haven't even put any stickers down yet. So I'm going to be using my Pilot Vanishing Point. This has Pilot Iroshizuku Take-Sume in it, and I think this is just going to be the pen that's always inked with Take-Sume, and I'm okay with that, just having like a pen with just black ink in it. This pen I actually just got on Saturday with an Amazon gift card. And I don't know, I was just after trying the, gosh, writing the weather and talking at the same time is not my strong suit. After I tried the Mahjong A1 and the Jinhao 10, I realized how much I wanted just a planner pen with just black ink in it. So I bought this. What is Friday? -5, and low is -9. But it's funny, like when I write the weather in, that like how much it can change in the span of a week. What I write in here versus what the weather actually is on the day can vary greatly. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Pelican M800 and then write in my work schedule. Let's move my lovely fake plant here. And I already forget how I write these in. So 9 to 5:30. There's no major change in shifts this week. It's just the usual Thursday that's different. So it's 8:30 to 5 on Thursdays, and then Friday 9 to 5:30. And then so that's work, and then I'll use my Le Bon 325 with Stroke of Midnight. I realized I still haven't actually decorated the spread. So we have Weight Watchers, 5:30 at Sherwood Park. Then Henry has, no, we are not swimming that day. Henry does not have swimming lessons that day. So West Ed and Water Park with my sister and her husband. And then Henry is at badminton on Sunday. Okay, I can't believe I haven't actually started decorating this spread yet. I just went right in and started doing the functional stuff, which, you know what, is not too bad. Although I'm thinking, like, is this sticker too big? Before I even do that, I'm going to maybe put some weight out here, because I don't really need to see the calendar down here to know what it's for. And I say edit that out, but this is a massive sticker. Oh, my husband, I think, just, I mean, I could put, oh, you know what, that would actually look really cool right in the middle. I think I'm gonna do that. So different from what I normally do, but I think it's okay to try something new. Ooh, okay, I like that. All right, then down here at the bottom, I hate that I'm using so much of this though, just to cover this up. Like here, I covered that up, and here I covered it up, but there wasn't a ton to cover up. So I'm thinking, yeah, it's okay, let's use some of these. Although, I think we're gonna cut them so that I can get the most out of it without wasting too much space. And I don't mind now if you can see the characters through the stickers. It still adds a little something to that area. There we go. Okay, definitely something different. Then, let's see. You should always, yeah, it's always a joy to see what my table looks like once I'm actually planning. And maybe if I put the knit something there, or there, or even just like that. Where are my tweezers? Especially with this washi type sticker, these always need a little bit of extra care. And I mean, I love these ones. It doesn't add a ton of bulk. Ooh, I like this. Keep calm and carry yarn. Yes. And then let's see, what else can I use? Ooh, I love these little stars. Just something simple. Then let's see, you know, I could add the balls of yarn around here. Oh, I like that. And another ball of yarn here, and this little ball of yarn. You know, watching, I say watching this, but doing this, you know, I really should get back into knitting. And I tried to at one point. I'm busy. I am busy. And I'm also tired. And, you know, hobbies change throughout your life. Okay, so I have those two, three. Oh, and three little stars. The hobbies change as you get older, you know? And that's okay. I'm wondering if I should actually just leave those and see how I feel. Okay, let's put all of the other things in first. All right, so I am going to take my Tombow 977 and just, how do I want to do this? Okay. I do sleep, workout, and then, okay, let's just try that. Do sleep up here. And where's my, so sleep. Okay, how does that look? I wonder if that bled through. Not so much. I know that there's been paper issues and it's distressing. And I, whoops, did not take into account that her head would be in the way. Oopsie. Can I write on this? Okay. Yeah, and some inks have been better on this paper than others. I did not realize I was writing on her head. Oops. Yeah. And I think now, like, the combination of the Tombow marker, this one is 312, the combination of the Tombow marker with Takesumi may not be the best combination, but that is okay. I am making this work while I can. Work out. Yeah, that makes it bleed so much. Although, I mean, it spread, like it feathers when I combine the two, but it's not unusable. And then I can put habits down here. So the habits that I'm trying to work on are listening to my audiobook, taking my vitamins, doing my nighttime routine, and no stationary spend. And actually, keeping track of that in a habit tracker like this motivates me to not spend, because I'm like, I don't want to not check that box. So, okay, habits. Okay, I am actually really liking how that looks. I really like how that looks. So now that there is a little bit of room, I'm not gonna put any, like, well, yeah, I will actually. Here I'm gonna write tasks for anything that comes up in the week that doesn't have a specific day assigned to it. Oh, I like that. Now, I feel like maybe I have a bit of room. Will there be enough room for that sticker? Yeah, there will be. Okay. So this, although, I mean, I have loaded this side up with stickers, but it's okay if I do that because I've already allocated the space that I need for my trackers so that I could fill up the rest of the space with stickers. And plus, it's so satisfying finishing a sticker sheet. So please fit. Yes. Okay, sticker sheet finished. Now to go in with my to-do lists. And how do I want to do this? Which pen? Gosh. All right, so blotting paper, always important so I don't smudge the writing. Monday will be meal plan, order groceries, but I also have to do the shipping labels for the things I've just destashed. Then I will get my husband to go to Chit Chats this day. And then, whoop, garbage. And then I will see if I can film my progress update, which I'll then need to edit and upload. Then I'm trying to split my filming out over the course of a few days, and then Wednesday, film new pen day. I know there's been a lot of new pen day videos recently, and it's because of, one, things coming all at once because of the Canada Post strike. There were things that were supposed to be sent in November, December, but because of the Canada Post strike, they couldn't be sent until January, so now they're all coming. Thursday, not sure yet, nothing yet on Friday. Saturday is going to be tough because I need to do bed linens and bathrooms, and we also need to do vacuum, windows. Henry does the door handles and light switches, and then Robin does her own bathroom and mopping. Okay, I'm just going to leave that for now. I know somebody asked me in the previous video if I could zoom in while writing, but that's so hard for me to do because I just jump all over the place, so I don't always remember to zoom into my writing. So I apologize for that. It's all right, let me just tidy up here. All right, so there is the overall finished spread. I do really like the colors of it. I think the only one that's throwing me off is the snowflake, but everything else looks quite good. And what I've been doing in terms of the way that this is functioning for me is that I'll write my to-do list in with one of the main colored inks here, but then what I'm gonna do is if there's new things that need to be added to the list or things that don't happen, then I will cross them out using my Pilot vanishing point, and then I'll know what I started the week with and then what I've added in here as I've gone on, and then also use that to mark my habit trackers. And as you can see, I'm not great at always doing them, but like some weeks I'm better, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with not having it be perfect. So, all right, let's put that in. I love these little clips from Cult Pens. They include one with your order. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching, and hope you're all doing well. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.